On September 5, 2018, officers with the Houston Police Department were dispatched to a domestic disturbance in progress. Apparently, an angry man was drunk and pointing a gun at his ex-girlfriend.
Keep your hands up for me.
Go ahead.
Put your hands a little higher for me. Do you have any guns on you or anything like that? All right.
I don't know how to unload.
Where's your gun at?
I don't have now.
You never had a gun? She says you had a gun. Is that true or not?
I had a gun. I don't have it now.
Where's it
Have it
at?
now?
No.
Where's it at?
Keep your thumbs pointing up.
That was last week. That was last week.
Where's
That
your
was last week, man.
What a gun at now?
Last week.
Last week.
Yeah.
What kind of gun you got? Huh?
No.
Do you stay back over there or anything?
Sir. That ain't mine.
That ain't yours.
That ain't mine. You know what I'm saying? That ain't mine. You think
how that ain't yours?
It ain't mine, dog.
It's in your pocket.
Yeah. See, I'm set up.
You set up. We just walked up on you. And it's in your pocket.
One packet. Come on, man. Be for real.
Yeah, it's in your pocket.
Yeah.
You ain't got nothing else on you?
No, I ain't got nothing, man.
You know him? That's your brother? What happened today? Do you know?
I don't know. My woman told me she threw all his clothes out. And I went and got his clothes and stuff off the ground and shit. And, you know, he been helping. He bought the car for her. He bought everything in the goddamn Republic. She's throwing him out like that.
Oh, so he's kind of mad because
Yeah, he's mad.
he pretty much bought everything.
Yeah, he just bought everything. He just bought a little goddamn car. She's driving $4,000 in cash.
Right.
You got to sell him.
What's your name?
Robert Hankey.
And what's his name?
Edward East.
Edward East?
Yeah.
All right, Robert. What I'm gonna ask you to do, man, just hang out over there, okay?
All right.
Did they get in a fight, like physical?
He don't fight with us.
I know, but did he,
No,
did they just argue?
just order. He don't fight no women. He don't hit no woman, man.
All right.
I might do something like that, but he won't.
You won't do that. Just hang out over there, okay?
Yeah.
All right, Robert.
All right, we're gonna walk over here, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the second car. So what's going on with you and your girl? That's why we're here.
She the one mad.
She what?
She mad because I ain't come home.
Okay, why didn't you come home?
I ain't got to come home. I'm a grown person.
Okay, have a seat for me.
Man, stop trying to set me up, man.
I ain't
Like she doing. She know what? She don't even know.
What do you mean she don't even know? What's going on between you two?
I ain't did nothing to her.
Does she think you're stepping out or what?
She threw all my clothes, all my stuff away.
She threw all your stuff.
In that damn thing, man.
Why'd she throw it all away?
All my jewelry, everything, man.
Okay.
Man, y'all wrong for this dog.
No, like tell me what started this? What started this fight? You know?
Cause I came home late.
Sir, I'm not yelling at you, okay? You don't gotta yell at me.
Sir, I came home late.
Okay. How late? You talking like 5 in the morning?
No, it was about like 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock? Okay. What'd you go out to the bar, stay till it closed?
Yeah.
Mosey on home? Okay. What was this, yesterday?
This morning.
This morning? Okay. So you got home 3 o'clock this morning. She was mad at you because you didn't get home. Then she called us, right?
So arguing with her.
Okay.
She told me, oh, why you coming in this town like? Then the dog, don't talk to my mama like that.
Did you pee yourself, man?
Excuse me?
Did you pee yourself?
Oh no.
It looks like you peed yourself.
Oh no, that. But I a few minutes ago I just peed. That's what I'm saying. Go. Man, do y'all know the goddamn sewage? There ain't no sewage in here.
There's no what?
Sewage?
There's no sewage here?
No.
Why not?
Shit.
You didn't talk to the apartment manager about that?
Shit. Yeah. Man, can't you smell it?
Alright, hold tight, man. I gotta talk to her and we're gonna figure it out, alright? How's it going, man? I'm Officer Henderson with the Houston Police Department. I'm gonna be the primary officer on this case today. So, he's your,
boyfriend.
boyfriend? Okay. Can you tell me what was kind of going on today?
No, there wasn't even much there. I just got off work this morning at 12 hours in Fresno, came home. My daughter was in here. I was in his sleep. He wasn't even here. I didn't even care about that. Came in drunk as usual. come in drunk, starting talking, calling me out my name, just going ballistic. Talking about my daughter doing this, all that. I said, man, just leave. That's all I need you to do. I asked him just to leave, and we won't go to this here. So I gets out. My daughter said, Mama, he talking about, wait a minute. So he goes and gets the gun. And so by that time,
Where do you get the gun from?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, sir.
It wasn't in your apartment or anything?
No, it wasn't in my apartment. It wasn't here. By the time I get out here, that's how I got able to snap the pictures like I would, because I was moving down the sidewalk so fast trying to catch him, so I can have proof that he had this gun. Threatening. But I don't know
what was he saying to you when he had the gun?
But he was going to kill me, and he was in a rage. Do you, sir? He was in a rage. I couldn't even, you can't even imagine the stuff that he be saying. So, tired of this. When you tell me with a gun, it's done with.
And when was he pointing the gun at you, or did he have it in his hand?
He just had it trying to cock it.
Trying to cock?
But he had it pointed toward my car. By the time I got out here with the camera, he was pointed like he was going to shoot my windows out of my car.
And you weren't in the car, correct?
No, I wasn't in the car.
At any time, did he turn and point the gun at you?
No, not at that time, no.
Okay. But he was just threatening you while he was holding the gun in his hand?
Yes, sir.
He was trying to cock it, but couldn't really get it cocked. Was he able to get a round off anywhere? Did he ever able to fire it?
I went to the store just now. My daughter said, Mama, somebody's shooting it toward the house. I don't know who it was, or was it him or not. So I don't know.
Did your daughter see if it was him?
She
or?
went and got in the closet. Called him out the closet.
Okay. Are you wanting to press charges against him today?
No, I don't want to press charges. I just need him to just go leave this property.
The thing is that's considered an aggravated assault.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Fine. Whatever.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you, or if not, I can get your name and stuff. That's the one surefire way we can get him off this property and away from me. You know. Do you know what he did with this shirt that he had on?
No, sir. I don't know what he did with the shirt he had.
Okay. I'm gonna get you a case somewhere and come back in here in a few minutes and give you all that stuff. And I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen. Okay. I'm gonna call the DA, see if they want to set charges, and kind of go from there. All right. I'll close this for you so you don't let the hot air in. No problem. Thank you, ma'am.
Where you say you threw your shirt at? Where you threw your shirt at?
Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna ask you a question. What that got to do with anything?
It got a lot to do with everything. We want to make sure you have your shirt. We want all your belongings with you. Did you take it to your brother's house, or did you?
I'm gonna call my lawyer in a minute.
That's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Where you take your shirt?
No, I'm calling my lawyer.
All right. Hey, where's that silver gun
I
at?
didn't do nothing wrong.
Where's that silver gun at?
Man, I got rid of that last week.
I saw it today. So you're lying to me.
No.
You know what? Hey, we're done. Cause you're lying to me, and I don't like liars.
I don't have.
I know you don't. Hey, how you doing?
All right, sir.
Hey, that's your brother, right?
Yeah, that's my brother.
All right. Hey, where's his shirt at? He's asking about some shirt. He said he left it in the house. That's your house, right? Hey, can I get his shirt real quick from his house? His shirt, his red, white, black shirt.
Go see if he's left. So you going to jail, sir?
Yeah, come on, let's go get it. It was a red, yeah. He said it was a red, white, black shirt.
No.
Okay. Is this all where he was at?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just find his shirt? Because he said he might have left. Because he had.
He gonna go get him a shirt.
No, he has his black tank or mustard shirt.
No, he ain't got no shirt in here. Didn't give him any shirt.
Nah, he doesn't need any shirt. I was just asking about his shirt.
Oh no, he didn't leave.
Oh, he didn't leave his shirt? Okay.
Hush up, Shaggy.
All right.
You know.
All right.
Shaggy, stop. That ain't my dog. That's the name of the dog.
What are you going to jail for, sir?
I don't know yet.
Stop, Shaggy.
Why are you so sure he's going to jail? Oh, you just asking?
Yeah, he ain't did nothing really, but talk loud.
I beg to differ, but we'll talk to him and we'll talk to her, okay?
Yeah, he don't do nothing but talk loud.
Yeah.
Talk loud, that's it.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Robert.
He ain't bothered.
Yeah.
I've been in jail one time in his life.
One time?
One time in his life.
Thank you.
Hey, is that your truck down there?
Man, let me out of here, man.
That's not what
I ain't do nothing, man.
Sir, that's not what I asked you. Is that your truck down there?
Man, what I do, man?
Is there a gun inside your truck?
No, sir.
Okay, do you mind if I look inside your truck to see if there's a gun?
I don't have no truck.
You don't have no truck? So if I go down there and look in that silver truck, you won't mind? It wouldn't hurt
Get a
you?
warrant.
It won't hurt your feelings at all?
Get a warrant.
Oh, so that is your truck. So you're lying to me.
Get a warrant.
Look, these accusations against you
Man,
today.
you trying to hurt me for nothing, man.
I'm trying to help you.
They told you something. I didn't do nothing. She stole all my. Go in there and look at all my stuff she stole.
Okay, sir. So here's what's happening. All right, you're gonna go to jail for aggravated assault, family violence. Okay, and that's because you had the gun and you're making threats with the gun in your hand. Okay,
Ain't
so
no gun in my hand.
we have pictures of you with the gun in your hand.
No, sir.
All right, so look.
No, sir.
So
No,
here's the
sir.
thing.
No, sir. No, sir.
Your truck is
No,
parked.
sir. No, sir. Where you seeing with a gun in my hand?
They're actually still in our area.
Look,
Right across.
we're not talking about that anymore. Okay, I'm gonna talk about something else. So look, your truck is parked on private property. The apartment complex doesn't want your truck here. Do you want us to tow your vehicle, or do you want the apartment complex to tow your vehicle? Because if you know the apartment complex is going to tow your truck, so do you want us to tow it for you? Make sure it's in a safe, secure location.
Gotta go.
Or do you want them to tow it wherever they want to?
Bullshit, man. I ain't do nothing.
What do you want
I ain't
to?
do nothing.
What do you want to happen to your truck?
Leave it up so my brother can take it home.
Well, they're going to tow it. If not,
No, my brother can drive my truck home.
Where's your brother at?
He stay upstairs.
on that first apartment or the second one?
Yeah, he's my stepbrother. He ain't not my brother, but he's my.
He's your step. Okay. But before we release
What
it,
y'all talking about, man?
So
What
before-
I do, man? What
before
I
we
do,
release
y'all?
the vehicle to
Y'all
him,
trying to give me a case?
sir. Before we release,
No, man, y'all, man, y'all
before
don't even know what y'all doing, dog.
before we release the vehicle to him, we
He's
need
trying
to
to give me a
inventory it to make
case
sure there's
for
no
nothing.
illegal weapons in there.
Tell you, man.
So is that okay if we inventory your vehicle to make sure there's no illegal weapons inside your vehicle? That way we can release it to your brother?
I ain't got no legal weapon.
Okay, so it wouldn't be a problem for us to look and make sure.
No,
Okay, so no, it wouldn't be.
no. I'm talking about you can't look at my vehicle.
All right.
Surprise, surprise! After getting into the car, look what the officers found. I'm no Dora the Explorer, but that looks like a silver gun to me.
Trying to resist no arrest or nothing. Damn.
The reason your hands hurt because you don't got them the right way, all right?
Oh, man.
Look,
Oh,
look.
man, come on, man.
Your elbows gotta go like this. Your palms of your hands gotta be together. I can get a finger in this one. I can get a finger in that one. That's plenty of space for you.
I'm not trying to resist no arrest, sir.
Look, I'm gonna pull them up a little bit and make them a little looser for you, okay?
Man, I'm not trying to go nowhere.
All right, keep your hands just like that, all
I
right?
came here, man.
That's plenty of space. Okay. Do you have internet on your phone? Yes, ma'am.
I just a new phone. I don't know how to use it.
Do you think you could you think it's able to send an email?
My daughter probably can do it for me.
If you can pull up the pictures, I can probably send them. I want to send them to myself. That way I have them. I can put them in the case as evidence. We did recover the gun out of his truck. So he's going to go to jail today. This right here is going to be your case number. Okay? I'm Officer Henderson. I'm going to be the one doing the report and the charges for you. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this. Here you go. All right. This is going. So if you hit that little button right there, it's the send. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
And we'll get him out of here, and he'll be in jail for at least a couple days out of this.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. I'm gonna get the seatbelt on you, okay?
Kidding me. Hold. Ow. I'm talking about my wrist, man.
Try not to twist them, all right? That's why it's hurting.
Wait 2 minutes. He's 2 minutes away. You want to get your wallet and your credit card where he's going out.
I gotta head out now, man. I'm sorry.
No.
His truck's with it. We're not throwing his truck or anything, so. Alright, can you go ahead and step out for me? You want me to help you out?
Hold on, man.
I'm trying to make
My hand's cut up.
sure you. Walk this way, okay? Turn. You can turn face. Walk over here, door number 3.
54-year-old Edward East was arrested on 1 felony count of aggravated assault on a family member. He pled down to terroristic threat and ended up getting sentenced to 200 days in jail. Since this arrest, Edward has gone on to get 2 different DUIs and is currently on probation. Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.